Dear students, good morning. Namaste. I am CS. We are on the Maths online classes. The chapter is sequences, part it is 5. Part 5. Okay, now we discussed so many things and we completed the exercise 9.1 also. That is the sequences, series, differences, and arithmetic progression. The progression means it is also a series. With a different rule is applied, different definite rule applied for getting every successive term. Okay, now like that, the sequences can be named as AP, arithmetic progression, GP, geometrical progression, HP, harmonic progression, like that. Now we are in arithmetic progression. In that progression also we completed the nth term. You see, once again, I want to tell AP is how it is a comma, a plus d comma, a plus 2d comma, dash and dash. It is a plus n minus 1 into d. The first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 10th term, nth term. So Tn, that is nth term. It is a nth term. That is nothing but a plus n minus 1d. D is a common difference. D is simply common difference. That is notation. And Sn, it is a sum of n terms. Okay, now it is n by 2. It is n by 2 of a plus l, where a is a first term. Okay, na? L is a last term. Last term means nth term. Here, nth term. Because it is, we ended there only. So now, okay, now we learned about this one already. Now we are going to discuss about the arithmetic mean. Mean means average. It is a AM notation, abbreviation. Arithmetic mean. If A and B are any two real numbers, okay, na? Are any two numbers simply. And if X, generally we write capital A. Capital A is any number can be inserted between A and B. Okay, na? A and B. So that A comma capital A comma B are in AP, arithmetic progression. Then capital A is called as arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean between A and B. Okay, no? Like that we have to tell. Suppose A and B are two numbers, 5 comma 10, 6 comma 18. Like that, two numbers are there. In between those two numbers, we insert means we place another number. That number, so that means with one condition is there. We are inserting a new number between the two numbers, given two numbers. Those three numbers in this order, first number, that inserted number and the last number. A and B are given. This one is a new one, A, capital A. must be are in AP. They are in the arithmetic progression. Then this capital A will be called as a arithmetic mean. AM. It is called as AM. Okay now. What is the necessary to call like that? I will explain it. We will call it like this. What is the necessary means? You say A comma capital A comma B are in AP na. That is a condition. That implies T2 minus T1 must be D na. That is also T3 minus T2. The condition is there. Proportional means. That is capital A minus small a is equal to capital B minus capital A. Will you agree? T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. That is nothing but say A comes to this side. A plus A is equal to B plus A na, that is 2A is equal to A plus B na, A is equal to A plus B by 2 na. Is correct? Yeah. You see, the sum of two numbers by total number of numbers. A plus B by 2, A plus B plus C by 3, A plus B plus C plus D by 4. That means sum of numbers by total number of numbers. How many numbers are there? We are dividing with that number. Then it is called as mean, average, arithmetic mean. That is why it is called as a arithmetic mean between the two lines. Okay, like that. Here, one more concept is there. It is important one. You observe. Here, n arithmetic means. It is called as a n arithmetic means. Okay, now there are n arithmetic means. You see, if A and B are any two numbers. Okay, na? And if A1, comma, A2, comma, A3, comma, dash, dash, AN are inserted. Place. Inserted means we are putting. Inserted between A and B. Then what happened we will see. Then you see, or otherwise so that small a, A1, A2, A3, AN, B must be in A2. Okay, now? Then what happened we will see. Here see, with the same condition, there we use only one number between A and B given numbers. So that is arithmetic mean, yes, okay. But here n arithmetic means n numbers are inserted between A and B, small letter A and small letter B. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, dash, dash, n terms are there. N numbers are inserted between A and B. Then what happened? We will see it. See, here it is. There are n numbers, n plus 1, n plus 2. That is t n plus 1, n plus 2. T n plus 2 means it is B. So what is the B means? It is a T, n plus 2. N plus second term is B. Because first n, 1 plus n plus 1, that is n plus 2 term. This is by formula A plus, it is n plus 2 minus 1 into D. Suppose this is T7, A plus 7 minus 1D. Suppose it is 100th term, A plus 100 minus 1D. Okay, like this. So this is nothing but a plus n plus 1 into d na. Okay, Nana? So what is B? B is a plus n plus 1 the d. Right. That implies I am writing here B is equal to a plus n plus 1 into d. That implies B minus A is equal to n plus 1 into d. That implies d is equal to B minus A by n plus 1. Okay, now that is d. It is a standard. It is a standard. In this series, the common difference is the last term, two numbers are given, the greater minus the smaller, or otherwise the second minus the first. By n plus 1, it is a constant. If we are inserted, we are asked to insert 10 AMs. 10 AMs. Then, okay, here it is 10 plus 1. If we are asked to substitute, to insert 20 AMs, 20 arithmetic means, that is here 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, now. But here you see capital A1. What is capital A1? Capital A1 is the very first number that is inserted between the two given numbers A and B. It is, okay, now. But here in the series, it is the second term. It is T2. Don't forget. Yeah, first term, yeah, A1 is second term. You see it? Yeah, it is A1, second term. T2 is by using this one. Okay, now. T2 actually is A plus 1D, na? Yeah, A plus D, the formula, because it is in the arithmetic profession. Yeah, A plus D, A plus 2D, like this. It is A plus what is the D? It is B minus A by n plus 1. So A1 is like this. Okay, now? And A2, we'll come to A2. A2 is here, A2 is third one. A1, A2, third term. T3. That is A plus 2D, na? It is A plus 2 into D means B minus A by n plus 1. Okay, na? This is A2. So A1 is small a plus B minus A by n plus 1. A2 is A plus 2 of B minus A by n. Suppose A5 is needed. It is small a, first term, first number. Small a, it is 5 of B minus A by n plus 1. Suppose an is asked. That is the last number. It is n of B minus A by n plus 1. Okay, na? That is the formula. An means there are how many terms we are inserting between a small a and a small b. There are n AMs, that is called as AMs. These are called as AMs. How many AMs are there? N AMs are there. If you are asked to insert n AMs between A and B, the first AM is that formula. The second AM is 2 into D. The third AM, A plus 3 into D. D means B minus A by n plus 1. The nth AM, A plus n into B minus A by n. Okay, na? Like that, we have to find all these things. Okay, it's very important concept. Okay, na? Yes, pass. Okay. We discussed about already we discussed about the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean and n arithmetic means AMs between any two given numbers. Here is one example is there. It is, if you understand this one, that concept is over. insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24 such that resulting series is resulting sequence is AP. That means here 6 AMs, or otherwise we may ask it as insert 6 AMs between 3 and 24. Here 3 is A, 24 is B. A and B are any two numbers. In between two numbers we have to insert 6 numbers so that the sequence is an AP. It's a solution. Solution, observe. The solution of this problem is, let A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6 are 6 numbers that can be inserted okay na, between 3 and 24. Okay na? Here what is A3? What is B24? Okay na? Right. That implies 3 comma A1 comma A2 A3 A4 A5 A6 and 24 are in AP. That is the concept. That resulting sequence, resulting series, resulting progression must be AP. Okay na? Because what is the meaning of given like this, the statement of problem is, the same question will be asked resulting sequence in GP also. Okay, like that also is there. So here clearly given it is in AP, so that the resulting series is AP. Yes, okay. Here what is A1? I have to find that A1. A1 is equal to T2 na. T2 means the formula is there. It is A small a plus 1D. That means A plus B minus A by N plus 1 na. Okay then? Here you see where A is equal to 3, B is equal to 24, N is equal to how much? N is equal to 6. 6 numbers are there. We get 6 N's must be inserted between 3 and 24. So, A1 is not T1. T1 this one is first term. A1 is second term. A2 is third term. A6 is seventh term. 24 is the eighth term. Like that is there. So, it is 3 plus B is 24 minus 3 by 6 plus 1. So this is 3 plus it is 21 by 7. Here only. It is 3 plus 3. It is 6. Okay now? Don't confuse. This concept I will write here. Here you see A is equal to 3, B is equal to 24, N is equal to 6. Okay now? Now A2. A2 is T3 na? 1, 2, 3. That is A plus 2D. A2 means 2D. A5 means 5D. A10 means 10D. Like this. It is also 3 plus 2 into D means it is B minus A by N plus 1. Here also we write A. So what is A? 3. It is 2 into B minus A by N plus 1. It is 24 by minus 3 by, it is 6 plus 1. Every time it is 7 only. Okay, now it is 3 plus 2 into 3 only. It is 21 by 7, 3. So it is 9. 3 plus 6. Okay, now next. A3. What is A3? A3 is T4. So, okay, na? A plus 3D. A3 means third arithmetic mean. A2 means second arithmetic mean. Here it is A plus 3 into, already we know it. It is B minus A by N plus 1. A is 3, this is 3 into, this concept is running from here only. It is only 3 now. Because 24 minus 3 is 7, 21 by 7, 6 plus 1. So 21 by 7 means 3. It is 12. And A4, it is T5. A4 means T5. A plus 4D, it is 3 plus 4 into D, we know it 3 word. So it is 3 plus 12 means it is 15. Okay now? I will tell it. So A4 is over and we will find A6. A5 and A6. Then A5, it is a T6. Okay na? T5, A2, T3, A3, T4, A4, T5. A5 is T6. A plus, it is 5 into D. That is 3 plus 5 into D is already, we know 3 value. It is 3 into 15, 18. Then A6, T7. A plus 6, D. 3 plus 6 into 3. It is 3 plus 18. How much? Is 21. Okay na? A7 is, really A7 is not there because 6 numbers only given. A7 means B. B means 24 will come. Okay Nana? You don't confuse. B means A7. That means T8, 8th term, don't confuse. Because A comma, A1 comma, A2 comma, A3 comma, A4 comma, A5, A6 and B. First term, okay na? First, second, third, dash, this is 8th term. So it is A plus. A is 3, 7 into 3, that is 3 into 21, we will get 24, yes, correct, 24 is correct. So we have to find like this by using the formula. A1, what is A1? A1 is a first arithmetic mean is 6. A2 is 9. Okay, na? Next 12, next 15, next 18, 21, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers which are inserted between the given numbers 3 and 24. You learn it well. This is an important example. Okay? Don't forget to learn to study the examples. Okay? Actually, we are discussing about the exercise problems. Okay? Here, this example is also important. So, you learn it well. Okay? Yeah. Pass.